With your knees at a 90-degree angle, sit upright and push your hands up towards the ceiling overhead. Slowly descend and repeat. With your knees twisted out of the way at 90 degrees, sit upright and open your hand. Sitting on the floor with your knees angled out of the way, bring your hands together and rotate from side to side. Sitting on the floor with your knees angled out of the way, open your chest out by bringing your hands overhead. Sit down on a ground or a mat with your knees at 90 degrees to one another and slowly push your hands towards the ceiling.